Hey guys, it's Kane here from Love Let's Live 7 on YouTube. Just a quick video here to show that I have managed to get Windows 11, the leaked copy, working on a PC, not a virtual machine. So I'll just go in here and I'll show you. If we go into the device manager, we can see that this is indeed a real PC. It is not a virtual machine. So you can see my my real hardware here. So we've got a few devices that Windows 11 obviously wasn't compatible with there. You can see my actual processor. So this is not a virtual machine. This is installed and working on my actual PC on a clean install. This was not an upgrade. I was able to log into my existing Microsoft account, which also activated Windows for me. So this is actually a fully activated copy of Windows 11. If we go in here, we should be able to see that somewhere. Where do they show that? Here we go. So we've got Windows 11 Pro, Dev version. Yeah, so it is fully activated. You can see there's no notice telling me that I need to activate. You can also see that I am able to access all of the customizations, which these get locked if your copy of Windows is not activated. So it is possible, and I will be posting a video on how to modify the leaked ISO to allow for a clean install, so that you too can install this and play around with it on your own PC. Alright, thanks for watching the video, guys.